Hi, I'm Graham Lane from StormGuard. I'm going to show you some things today we found in the house in the Stonegate area and some surrounding areas as well. This is a problem you see with a lot of houses in the area and at this age. This is a masonite siding that has absorbed water over a period of time and has caused a lot of rot. So this is a rotten area that we have. You can see it's brittle and has absorbed so much water over a period of time that it needs to be replaced. Now I've shown you the rotten damage we have here, but I'm also going to show you some more. We're going to pull a piece of siding off. We'll cut through our caulk line. It's been caulked over here as well. We'll pull the screw out amongst the rotten wood. It just comes right out. Then we're going to take the piece above, which is also rotten. You can see back where it's rotten, it's absorbed over the period of time from the bottom up actually. So if your house is not sealed well, caulking, painting, you'll get this over a period of time, and actually it can be a very short period of time. This could be just a couple years. This could be also 20 or 30 years. So you want to make sure you have your annual maintenance of sealing, caulking things, making sure the paint has sealed everything up. Also, if you look, this is a foil wrapped insulation board, and you can see the moisture that's still, and it hasn't rained here in at least a week, on the board. So there's also some mold growing here, or mold-like substance. So we're having to replace around the window, which has been leaking from above. So it leaks down, has rotted the wood here as well. You can see this rotted wood here. So this entire area of this house, good 200-300 square feet, have to be replaced all across the bottom, around the windows.
If you have seen similar damage to your home, reach out to us and we will send one of our experts to take a look. Call us at 720-789-7608 to schedule an appointment today.